Hi all, good morning. Today we are in fifth day and the fifth video, and welcome to Azure Talks and Dynamics Talks. So today I am here to explain about the WordPress. I know WordPress is does not exist in Dynamics, but WordPress is simply we can actually create a website out of it. So people are generally asking how we can actually host a WordPress site on Azure. So let's get started. So I have my subscription already and Azure Portal open. It's portal.azure.com. Go to subscription or go to home and try to create a resource. So what I will do on the marketplace, I will just search for the WordPress. So let me type it WordPress and try enter, and it should come up with the creation of the resources. Yes, so this is the WordPress. So there are a couple of WordPress app service and quite lot it. So what I will do, I will choose WordPress state in art. Okay, so I will just choose this one and say create. So while I create, it will backend, it will be creating a web app. So I will just name it as demo web, and let's see if it is available. It might not be available because this value is global. So I will just say AZ365 dot x dot xyz, which is my domain. Okay, dot is not allowed, so I will just say XYZ and see whether it is available. Yes, it is available. The subscription which we are using is the Azure Pass sponsorship. The resource group which is automatically getting created is AZ365XYZ. We can obviously create a new, or if we have the existing, we can select the um, requested or this suggested resource group. Then we have the data provider. So data provider we will choose as Azure database for MySQL. And then there is a South Central US app plan. You can definitely go and choose a new plan. So I will make it as default. The other major important task is about the database string required. So I will just click on that and say yes, this is the server name, and then this talks about the database login, and then I will create a password. So do memorize this because this will be asked when you do the database operations. So right now the version is 5.7. You can use 8.0 or the lowest one, but I will go with the default one. I'm using the pricing tier as general purpose vCore 100 GB, and the database name is this. You can again simplify it, but I will say just OK to it. And once this is done, it will throw back to our to the next back step, and then say create. So once this is created, we will have the website name called az365xyz.azurewebsite.com. And once we get it, we will then, I will not save it, or maybe let me save it. Okay, so deployment got initialized. And in the meantime, it is in initializing. What I will do, I will just quickly note down my password, what it is. I'm not sharing the password right now, but yeah, so we need to copy that password because you might be a case that you don't remember it. So okay, so it is submitting the deployment, and once the deployment is done, you will get the notification that this is created, website is created. I will just quickly duplicate since the notification and this is the notification sender. This since the notification is already will be there, so I will just open a uh, new tab with the help of the duplicate so that I can see what is happening in the background as a deployment. So I'll go to the resource group, and if I see the AX, this is created. This since we wanted to create the website with the name of this. So same thing by default has taken the same name, and then let's click and see if they are if something is getting deployed. So right now the status is deploying, and over here also you can see the deployment is still in process. So this might take few more minutes. let's not waste our time. Let's see how it goes, and then I will tell you that one option people are asking on the chat. I will just tell you that how we can actually look for the costing, how we can, since we have the subscription, so how that subscription amount, what amount is left or what is the balance around it. So what, how we can check it. So just go to the subscription and select the subscription, go to the cost analysis and see, or before going to cost analysis, it is showing is for billing information, visit this. So I will just quickly say visit this. Okay, so it might ask you for your username and the password, and then it will give you the details. So if you want to check the balances, click on this and it will come up and show you that what is your balance. Okay, so it is just checking the okay, so still we have the 100 USD, and then there is one subscription active, 100 USD is remaining, 0 USD use. Same way, if I use this same button for my other account and show you that how you can get it, get the results. So I'll just paste it, and whatever my accounts are there, it will come up and show you about the details. So I'm just selecting my account. I just selected it and it will pop up with the number of subscriptions being used and uh, how many account is left. So subscription active is one, and there are the balances which is the showing you, and the offer is expiring in 3 days. So all this information will be available. Same way, I have other sponsorship subscriptions which might end or might have already ended with the balance 0. Okay, so everything is viewable over here. Same way, you can monitor the storage usage as well. See, you have the 4 subscriptions, and once it is available, it will show you how or which subscription is being used more. Okay, so if I click on this, so it is showing me what all subscriptions were costed. Okay, so let me get back to the topic which we started. Okay, so deployment is still going on. Let's wait for a few minutes and then we will resume the session. Um, Normally this should be very quick. I'm not sure why it is taking some time. Yeah, at least something is coming up. So it is almost nearing it to finish. So this is the web app, and this is the MySQL on Azure database, and then we have the app service plan. This is application insights. Let's go to the resources. It is deployed successfully. Perfect. So this is the app service. Basically, how you can go, you can just close it and then go to the resource group directly from here, uh, and then see you might have the four. So this is the main web app which through which your subscription will be handled. The website will be handled. If you click on this, it will directly open and say WordPress has been installed. Okay, so it is just popping up. It's just loading, taking some time. Yes, so installation is done. It is just asking me that which language I need. So I would need a English, and I will make it as Australia or US. Yeah, let it be. I should go with the English, Australia or UK. Generally, I will select UK. Go continue. And it will ask me about the site name. So let me publish the site name as this. I will just say dot. And the username, you should not give any username like admin. Okay, you might use it as Umesh P admin or maybe similar kind of name. So I normally use it my full name, okay, and then preceded by the admin. Once this is done, I will just say, and I will just okay, I will not discourage the search engine for indexing this site. I will obviously say yes because this increases my um, searchability. It is not I'm using it as a personal or a very personal or a very secured one. I will be using it for public, and the email ID would be az365 dot xyz. This is my domain and this is my email ID, and then I will say install. I will just I wanted to take the copy of this, save it somewhere where I will be using this. Let me save it. Login. Okay, so it should come up. Remember me, login, and my WordPress website is ready. Okay, so let's suppose I want to look for the first page. So the first page should look like this. I will just make it as guest and show you. Okay, so briefly unavailable of scheduled maintenance. Check it back in a minute. So I think I need to post one. Okay, um, I will try to post one WordPress admin. I will try to post one page, maybe customize, and I will log in as an admin. I will try to post one page or maybe a particular. Okay, so let's change the theme. Maybe this one, and then say live preview. Yeah, this might take a time, and then activate and so before activate and publish, I will just try to go for the identity. Yes, I will say test demo site. Select the icon. If I have anything, any library, any image, I would say, or just copy it from the maybe something like this, or maybe Azure Talks. Open it and try to assist the name, and then say select, and then crop the image. So accordingly, it will be shown. Yeah, and then activate and publish. Okay, so it is published, and I will go down back, and I will try to go to the dashboard and publish one post. So I'll go to the pages, add, and then say, uh, let me edit my sample page. Okay, and just say hello world. I will just replace this as well as um, hello world and update. So I can view this page like this. Okay, so I still don't have the index page ready. So let me see how I can get the index page. I will go to the pages. I will just try to see what I can do. Edit. Okay, so basically from here itself you can migrate it to and say it is the sample page. So I think our demo is done, and the page URL would be this one. So just copy it and show it in the guest login. It should work. Yep. Now this is the website. This is the page which we are looking at. This is something called subdomain because this is hosted on AzureWebsite.net. How we can get a website like this? How we can mask the website like a proper website like this? This I will show you in the next session. Okay, so this is something a site is you can build it up, but this will be covered in the next session. Hope this finds you good, and thank you very much. You have a good day, and bye bye.